Okay, it's the same size as the other one. It's a full size, full length, which does stick out of your pocket, but that's part of the reason why the chain is so important. And unfortunately, because they gave me a new one, I have to tear it all apart so I can show you. It's got the claw clip on it. Let me put that down. It's got the claw clip on it. The claw clip will attach to your belt loop if you need to attach it to your belt loop. Some ladies like to attach it to their purse strap as well, and that's also another great idea. It's also got the snaps on the lid, and it's a trifold. I'll take the paper out of the middle. There we go. And it's also got, same as the other one, it's got the zipper for coins or extra IDs or whatever you need, extra key, whatever. It's also got a slot for your bills, one here, one here, one here, as well as credit card slots here and here, along with an ID window with the antique brass type of chain, which is great as an accessory to make it look good. And if you don't like the chain, it'll come off very easy, just like the other one would if you don't want it on there. So you can put it in your purse. It won't need to be attached to anything. So it's a great new item, and I believe charcoal just came in for this particular wallet. So if you want black, brown, or charcoal, these are the premium wallets. I think you'll really appreciate the long-lasting wallets that we have.
Come to Jammin' Leather. Ha 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 ha!